Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your own greens powder. First, gather your ingredients. Choose a variety of leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collards, along with herbs such as parsley or cilantro. Make sure to wash them thoroughly to remove any dirt or debris. After washing, it's crucial to dry them completely. Excess moisture can hinder the dehydration process and affect the final product's quality. Aim for a good mix of colors and textures. Once your greens are clean and dry, it's time to dehydrate them. The best method is using a food dehydrator set to a low temperature, around 115 degrees Fahrenheit. This preserves more nutrients. Spread the greens in a single layer on the trays. If you don't have a dehydrator, you can use your oven at its lowest setting, typically 150 degrees Fahrenheit, leaving the door slightly ajar. The goal is for them to be completely dry and brittle, like autumn leaves. Now that your greens are perfectly dry, it's time to turn them into powder. Use a high-speed blender or a clean coffee grinder to process the brittle leaves until they reach a fine, powdery consistency. You might need to do this in batches. For an even smoother powder, you can sift it through a fine mesh sieve to remove any larger pieces. Store your homemade greens powder in an airtight container, like a glass jar, in a cool, dark place to maintain its potency for several months. Incorporating your homemade greens powder into your daily routine is simple and beneficial. You can easily add 1 to 2 tablespoons to your morning smoothie, juice, or even just a glass of water for a quick nutrient boost. It also works wonderfully in savory dishes like soups, stews, or salad dressings, and can even be mixed into some baked goods. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay healthy and hydrated. Enjoy your nutritious creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.